In this video, I'm going to answer the question, can you go live on Mighty Networks? And yes, the quick answer is you can go live on Mighty Networks whenever you want to. And I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So once you're inside Mighty Networks, inside your control panel over here, you want to click up top right where your icon is, and then click on it. Go down to where it says live stream recordings. You want to click this, and then you want to click go live. And when you click this, you will have to select your camera permissions and your microphone permissions, which can be done via the pop-up that will show down here, or by clicking up this icon and then allowing your camera and your microphone to be kind of allowed on the website. Okay, and then if you reload this website, it will show you there's nothing red anymore, as you can see. And yes, that's pretty much it. Then when you're ready and you have your speakers, your microphone, and your camera set up, as well as your live stream name, you can select if you want to record the live stream or notify members you're going live. And then what you have to do is press go live now, and that's it. You've successfully went live and started a live stream inside Mighty Networks. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.